Do you run into innovative applications, things you might not have done before? We've got one for you. How about starch-based pet treats? A while back, a client of ours came to us with a really interesting application, injection molding starch. Starch is a polymer, so it's injection moldable, and it's primarily used in the pet treat industry. But there are some challenges. First off, for high production manufacture, you need to run high cavities. These are 24 cavity molds. We also need to use hot runner systems that are valve gated. Furthermore, those hot runner manifolds need to be diffusion bonded, so there's perfect flow in the channels. Finally, our client needs to mold a wide variety of pet treat shapes. So these two mold bases are perfectly matched. They can accept a wide range of inserts, so he can switch inserts out at any time in his factory. If you run into challenging applications, innovative applications, and need a good partner, reach out to us. We'd love to help you.